and welcome back to another week of lunch video. This is the face behind the finger. I just figured I'll introduce myself. I am Janice. I am the mother of 5 children, 2 of which I prepare lunches for. The other 3 get lunch at school. The 2 that I prepare for, they are in private school and lunch is not provided, so I have to make lunch every single day. This is welcome if you're new, and feel free to ask me any questions. Bye guys. Bye. Good morning guys. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was a holiday, so the kids didn't have school, so we only have a 3-day week, lunch week. So, and you guys did say that you wanted to see what they ate after school, so I will be including that for the 2 folks that answered. So anyways, today they're having mini chicken biscuits. I gave Jackson 2, gave Maddie 1, and then I gave her some tomatoes, but I cut the tomatoes in half just in case, you know, she's sitting there talking and not paying attention and, you know, she doesn't choke on it. Then I gave her some watermelon. She'd been asking for watermelon all day yesterday, so I figured I would give her some watermelon today. And then I gave her some, this is sweet and sour popcorn. Let me show you guys what it is. So this is the candy popcorn, sweet and sour patch kids popcorn. So I gave her some of that, and then she's gonna take this apple juice, good to grow, 100% apple juice, and it came in a 3-pack with different tops, and this doesn't leak. So I already took the seal off the bottle, so this doesn't leak, so that's good. And then I gave her a vanilla Dunkaroo. Is this the vanilla? Yeah, vanilla birthday cake Dunkaroos yogurt. These are really good. That's really good. And then Jackson's having the same exact thing. I didn't give him any tomatoes because he's not a fan of tomatoes. I mean, he likes tomatoes, but not as much as Maddie does. And then he picked out his juice. He was looking for the mango ones, but we couldn't find it, so we just went with the fruit punch. He loved these, so we'll continue to give that to him. And then he's having the same vanilla birthday cake Dunkaroos. And that's it guys, so I will see you guys after school today. Have an amazing Tuesday guys. Bye. This is after school on Tuesday. Her bag feels a little sticky and wet. I don't know what that is about. She ate everything, and juice is all gone. But I have to clean this up because this is wet. Okay, so this is Jackson, and he ate everything. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Bye guys. Good morning guys. Today is Wednesday. This week seems like it's flying by really fast, but happy Wednesday. Today I got up a little late because I'm, you know, just not feeling the greatest. So I had good intention of making them a hot lunch, but that just was not going to happen this morning. So I did the old trusty, old faithful peanut butter sandwich, and Maddie's is cut in a pumpkin shape because it's almost fall. Well, it is fall. And then she has I'm giving her some Cheez-It puff. So that's what she's having right there. She's having a Baby Bell vanilla yogurt raisins down here, and then this is the boba fruit, but this one I think it's watermelon and something. I'm gonna have to show you guys the packaging one of these days. I cut up some grapes down here. I got her spork, and I'm giving her a fruit punch Mott's juice. And then Jackson's having the same thing. His covered raisin is in this container. His Baby Bell, the puffs, and his fruit. I don't know why it seemed like she has more than he does, but it's the same pack, I promise you. And then for something extra, he's taken the Focus, yeah, whatever this is. So I didn't want to send this with Maddie because it's too much packaging, and I don't have enough space in her box right here to open this and put it in, so I kept it out for her. And I'm pretty sure she will be filled up with all of this. She is 5 years old. Jackson is 10, and he has more appetite than she does. And this one is also the fruit punch. They got their spork. Someone had asked me where I got these forks from. I can't remember. Let me check and then I'll let you know where they're from. But anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing Wednesday and I will catch you guys tomorrow. No, well, what they ate after school. Bye guys. Okay, so sad. This box is no longer good. I put her stuff up here, I put it in her bag and it leaked everywhere. So goodbye, Yum Box. Had it for a few years. Once it starts to leak, you know it's no longer good. So I have to get her a new box now. Hi guys, it's after school on Wednesday. I already opened this and it's empty. And yeah, continue to leak. So I need to wash that. And then this is Jackson. Can you open that for me because I feel like this is empty. Empty, empty, empty. So, had a good day, right? Yeah. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Get out the refrigerator.
Get out that refrigerator.
What do you want?
I know what she wants.
Want a snack?
She wants.
All right. Okay. Good morning. Today is Thursday. Today's the last day for lunches. So, the kiddos are having... This is croissant with turkey and cheese, and I just tossed it in the air fryer real quick. It doesn't have to be hot, so that's what that is. This is frosted wheat, some yogurt. This is ranch for his celery, and then he's getting grape, his juice, and his spork. I still can't figure out where this is from. Oh, Good Bin. This is from Good Bin. I will try to find the link and leave it down below. I'm very bad at that. Madison's having the same exact thing, except I am finishing up these popcorn. She likes these, the Sour Patch popcorn. She likes those. Yogurt, some ranch for her celery. I'm pretty sure she's gonna eat that because she loves healthy stuff. She's gonna have, because I didn't give her any fruit, she's gonna have this Once Up on a Farm fruit and veggie blend strawberry patch, and then she's having her fruit punch Mott's juice and her spork, and that's it for Thursday's lunch. And I will see you guys after school for what they ate. Bye guys. Okay guys, it's after school on Thursday. Did you learn anything about Jesus, Maddie? Not today? No? Okay.
All we did was a puzzle.
Let's see. What's your memory verse? Ooh. She did good. She did good. And then this is Jackson, my 10-year-old. You didn't learn your memory verse today?
We did, but I don't need to say it.
You don't need to say it? Why?
No, she needs to say it to mother.
You're gonna come learn your memory verse. Okay, he did good. What was in here? Oh, ranch. Oh, okay, they did good. I knew they would. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this week's worth of lunch videos. I think I'm gonna do it differently next week. I might. So anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I will see you guys next week, guys. We are going on 4 weeks worth of lunch videos. Bye guys. What's your name? What is your name? Tell them. Introduce your name. Introduce yourself and tell them what your name is. This is who I prepare lunch for, this beautiful little face. Say, my name is Madison.
My name is
Madison, and I am in?
No, I am Maddie.
Maddie, and you're in? What class are you in?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten. And nice to meet you, Madison. Hi. What's your name?
Madison. Jackson.
What grade are you in?
Madison. 5th grade.
Okay. So that's the other face I prepare lunch for.